Let's learn some construction vehicle names. Kids, are you ready? Let's go! Yeah! Dear kids, look at this. This is a bulldozer. A bulldozer is a heavy construction machine used to push, move, and level large amounts of soil, sand, rocks, or debris. Dear kids, look at this. This is a dump truck. A dump truck is a heavy-duty vehicle used to transport loose materials such as sand, gravel, soil, rocks, or construction waste from one place to another. Dear kids, look at this. This is a skid steer loader. A skid steer loader is a compact, versatile construction machine used for lifting, carrying, digging, and loading materials in small or tight spaces. Dear kids, look at this. This is an excavator. An excavator is a heavy construction machine used for digging, trenching, lifting. It is one of the most important machines in construction and earth-moving work. Dear kids, look at this. This is a road roller. The main purpose of a road roller is compaction and surface finishing, ensuring safety and durability in construction projects. Dear kids, look at this. This is a tower crane. A tower crane is a tall construction machine used to lift and move heavy materials vertically and horizontally at great heights. Dear kids, look at this. This is a concrete mixer pump. It mixes concrete and pumps it smoothly to build strong houses and roads. It combines the functions of a concrete mixer and a concrete pump in one unit. Dear kids, look at this. This is a mobile crane. A mobile crane is a movable lifting machine mounted on a truck or wheeled carrier. It is used to lift, carry, and place heavy loads. Dear kids, look at this. This is a crushing machine. A crushing machine is a heavy industrial machine used to break large stones, rocks, or construction waste into smaller pieces. Dear kids, look at this. This is a crawler crane. A crawler crane is a heavy-duty crane mounted on tracks instead of wheels. It is designed to lift very heavy loads. Dear kids, look at this. This is a forklift. A forklift is a small industrial vehicle. It lifts heavy boxes and moves them safely in warehouses and factories. Dear kids, look at this. This is an asphalt paver. An asphalt paver is a road construction machine used to lay hot asphalt smoothly to make strong and even roads. Dear kids, look at this. This is a concrete mixer truck. A concrete mixer truck is a specialized vehicle used to transport freshly mixed concrete from a batching plant to a construction site. Dear kids, look at this. This is a wheel loader. A wheel loader is a heavy construction machine used to load, lift, and move materials such as sand, soil, gravel, and rocks. Dear kids, look at this. This is a water truck. A water truck is a special-purpose vehicle used to transport, spray, and distribute water at construction, mining, and roadwork sites. Dear kids, look at this. This is a backhoe loader. A backhoe loader is a multi-purpose construction machine. It digs the ground and lifts heavy soil using its front and back tools. Dear kids, look at this. This is a hydraulic hammer machine. A hydraulic hammer machine is a powerful attachment used to break hard materials such as rock, concrete, asphalt, or reinforced structures. Dear kids, look at this. This is a motor grader. A motor grader is a construction machine used to level, smooth, and shape surfaces with high accuracy. It is mainly used in road construction. Dear kids, look at this. This is a drill rig. It drills deep holes in the ground to find water and build strong foundations. It is commonly used for construction and foundation work. Dear kids, look at this. This is a pile driver. A pile driver is a construction machine. It pushes long piles deep into the ground to make buildings strong and safe.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning videos.